Causes of absence. Research emphasises that correctly identifying the underlying causes of school absence is crucial in providing appropriate support for children and young people to reduce absenteeism. When attendance problems are identified and absence becomes an issue, it is often tempting for schools and sometimes parents to try to locate a simple reason and simple solution for the behaviour. However, the underlying causes of school absence are often complex, and in school, we often only see the behaviours that represent the tip of the iceberg. In many cases, there are a number of underlying factors that are intertwined and relate to many aspects of the child's life, so require thorough investigation and unpicking in order to clearly identify the appropriate support or intervention that is required. There are a range of potential causes of school absence that are highlighted through research and studies. These can be placed into 4 categories: individual factors, peer factors, school factors, and family factors. It is important for schools to be aware of all the possible causes of non-attendance, to be able to accurately identify the reasons behind and to ensure appropriate interventions are put in place. From here, we can see that many of the factors are related to poor relationships with either peers, school staff, or family members. Mental health is also an issue which is becoming increasingly prominent. Research also suggests that schools closely monitor the reasons that are given when an absence is reported. It shows that those pupils who have subjective health concerns, such as headaches and nausea, as a reason for absence, are more likely to be chronically absent from school in later years. Therefore, early investigation of repeated subjective health complaints is advised in order to prevent school absence. This is something for schools and establishments to consider when devising early warning systems and revising attendance recording protocols using CMIS. In order to effectively identify the issues that are causing a child to be absent from school, it is vital that schools gather the views of all key people in a child's life. First and foremost, time should be spent gathering the views of the child or young person. It is also important to gather the views of the parents and families and key staff who work with the child, such as their teacher or a member of support staff who they have a close relationship with. Views around perceived causes of absence can sometimes differ, so it is essential that we understand the case from all perspectives, leaving no stone unturned. Research also highlights the importance of parents and families being informed and involved right from the start, when early warning signs of school absence problems begin to emerge. This helps build relationships with families, creating a strong foundation for any future partnership working, and can prevent escalation of school attendance problems. Research also recommends that families should be involved in the co-creation of attendance interventions and support plans to ensure a consistent, agreed approach between home and school. Identifying the causes of absence can be a complex process at times, but there are tools which can help. The School Refusal Assessment Scale was constructed in 1993 by Christopher Kearney and Wendy Silverman, then revised again by Kearney in 2002. It is a tool designed to assess the motivating reason or reasons for absence. It is a questionnaire completed by both the young person and their parent and carer. Answers are scored, then an overall result is placed into one of the 4 categories. The first 2 categories describe when a young person does not attend school for negative reinforcement. This is often linked to emotion-based school avoidance. These can be seen as push factors, pushing a child away from school. Condition 1 on the scale, to avoid school-based stimuli that provoke a sense of negatively affectivity, can be linked to mental health issues, conditions such as anxiety, depression, or other social and emotional concerns. For example, this could be where a child has a negative relationship with a teacher or peer, or they might find a class or subject particularly challenging. For children with autistic spectrum disorder, this may be related to the environment, transition periods, or routines. Condition 2 is to escape aversive social and/or evaluative situations. Again, this is often associated with emotion-based school avoidance and anxiety, and can be triggered by high-pressure situations such as presentations, tests, or exceptional school events. The second 2 categories describe when a young person does not attend school for positive reinforcement. This could be to spend more time with peers or family members, or it could be linked to a lack of interest in school, where they seek out more attractive activities out with. These can be seen as pull factors that are enticing a child out of school. The scale is a useful assessment tool to assist with early intervention by identifying the cause of underlying absence. It also involves the family right from the beginning of the intervention process, and this is something that is heavily endorsed by research.